Hi, good day. In the taste of the town today, we are here with dal puri nashta, and it's very tasty. Let's see the ingredients. Here, chana dal 1 cup, 2 pieces of the onion, 2 pieces of the tomato, ginger, garlic, both 2 tablespoon each. Green chili 1 chopped, cumin 1 tablespoon, salt to the taste, red chili to the taste, turmeric 1 teaspoon, lemon 1 tablespoon, oil 2 tablespoon, hing a pinch, 1 cup of the wheat flour. It should be full, so I'm taking little more, and a half cup of the all purpose flour. So we'll mix it together by adding salt as per taste. And here I'm adding oil to make it crispy, and 1 tablespoon of the oil. Mix it together and knit it till the dough becomes soft and ready to cook. We'll keep it aside. It will be round about 1.5 cup. So it's ready. Our dough is ready. So this healthy breakfast, we can use both the dal, either we can use the moong dal or chana dal. So we will soak it for 5 to 6 hours or overnight, and then we will boil it and keep it aside. For us, I am taking 1 cup, and our ingredients are now ready. So we'll keep it aside and we'll start to our procedure to cook. So dear listener, please subscribe my channel. Hope you like this breakfast and encourage me. We will put a pan. It should be dry. See, I show like this, and we will add in this. Those who are diet conscious, they can use olive oil. I'm using here cooking oil. So half cup of the oil I'm using on the medium flame. So, let it be little warm. It's very tasty and healthy breakfast, and because after taking this breakfast 4 to 5 hours, we will not be able to get hungry, and it's very easy. It's very easy. See, I'm putting here cumin. Let the smell come. So now we will start adding other ingredients. Half of the chopped onion, which I kept there because the rest of the half we need for salad. We'll mix it slowly. The smell is so nice. Cumin and onion, let it fry for just 5 to 10 seconds. And green chili along with the ginger pieces and garlic. Oh, the smell is so nice. And half of the tomatoes, I told you that we need for salad. So it's very nice. We'll mix it together. The smell is so nice. Now we will add the dry masala, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, salt and chili powder. All together we'll mix it and we'll stir it well. All the masalas look so different and so nice, and because it's a breakfast, so we will not add any other masala. So this chana, which we already soaked overnight, and I boiled it already, so we'll mix it in this and we'll let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes till the masala comes out. See, our dough is ready, so we'll start making puris. So small puris, and with everybody knows how to make it. That's why I'm not just showing the procedure so quickly. 4 to 5 puris, and then we need a little with the help of the fork. We'll pinch, or we'll just make little holes so that it should be fried well, because we are gonna deep fry it. So now in another pan we will use cooking oil, and we'll fry all the puris one by one. You can make smaller also. So I have made it medium as per the size of my pan. We'll keep on frying till it gets little dark reddish. It's still soft. We'll cook it fully till it gets crispy. After that, we will keep it aside. It's very nice breakfast, and after this breakfast for long time we can work, and later on we don't get hungry so easily. So usually before going to school for the children, and even if people, those who are fasting, they can use in their breakfast at least once in a week. And it's little healthy as well, little heavy as well, and those who are going outside working for long hours, so, and they want not to be hungry very soon, so they can use this breakfast. Even at night also, for the small nashta we can use it. So it's very nice, it's very tasty, and hopefully you all like my recipes. They are little different. So after frying and keeping them aside, now our dal is ready. So we'll put half cup of the coriander, as much as we like it. Some people like very less coriander, so you can put less, but I like more, so I'm using half cup of the coriander. And I keep it a little water inside, because then we need to soak the puris in the bowl and put this dal breakfast over it and then eat it. So dear listeners, see, the colors are so beautiful. Our dal is already ready. As I told you that we can use moong dal as well. So both the dal has little difference into the taste. So I like chana dal very much. That's why I'm making with the chana dal. So dear listeners and viewers, see, the tray is ready, and we are going to start. It's with the help of salads, sauce, and we'll make the pieces of the puri in the bowl and put the dal over it, soak it, and we'll use tomatoes and onion in that, and we will enjoy our breakfast. It's so yummy and it's so nice. If you serve it hot, it gives the best of the taste, especially in the breakfast. So this is called our dal breakfast, dal puri breakfast. Even in Hindi we say dal ka nashta. I like it very much, and I do expect that my viewers will enjoy this breakfast, and at least once they will give it a try, and I will serve it and they will enjoy with this breakfast. It's really very nice. My God. So see, two type of the sauces I have kept, with the tomato ketchup as well. Whatever sauces you like, you can add it, and after half an hour then you can take your tea. So it's so nice. See, beautifully serve it. It's so nice. So please subscribe my channel.